You said that you could let it go, and I wouldn't catch you hung up on somebody.
Kaka-out ko lang, babe. Ba yan?
I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo in so much space.
We got history, got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me. Thinking about what could've happened or what could've been. Finally your face, I know it, that is sight to see. Take my time, then take your clothes out one more time, maybe. Acting like you don't recall it, ain't impressing me. Didn't come to see your friends, I know you came from me. Like your dress, but you fit better in my wrinkled tee. We moved on to newer things, but we got history.
Something special's going down. That's right, I think she foreign. I think she foreign. Got passports, me and more. Study slow, got fast. She gon' work some more, work some more. No stopping it up, no stopping it up. And then she started dancing, sexual momentum. Nasty but she fancy, lipstick on my senses.
Pero, ay ta.
Be, kaka-out ko lang, be. Trip to.
Ba't di ka masakit? Asan ba?
O, di ba madalas? You wear your, ano, dito. One. Be, anong ginagawa mo dyan, Be?
Spider-Man. Ay, sige, guys, dito mo tawa.
Tete.
Seaweed. Makala niya seaweed.
Anong ma? Ama mo ba ako nalilito ka na nagalo sila yung puso ko. Napagod eh. Napagod eh. Pagod eh. Pusok. Tama na to. Cravings mo. Tangin ng cravings. Kapilang usapan eh. Oh, 1. Papunta dito. 2, 3, go. Sobrang lapit. Sobrang lapit. Wala na akong nakuha ng tayo. Hindi ka na nakita sa video. Oh, langoy ka pa side. Pa-side. Pa gano'n. Langoy ka sa lahat. Ano ka? Karoon. Ganon ka, lubog ka sa ilalim. Pakalangoy mo. 1, 2, 3, go. Galing. Dali. 1, 2. Kawin tayo. Ha? 2, 3, 1. Ano, kaya nyo ba, te? Kaya nyo pa ba? Ang ina, puro video. Isa pa. Walang tutuko. Hanggat may hininga. Nalulunod yung anak mo eh. Nalulunod. Hinibo! Tingnan lang ako gago. Ang tatanggalin baga ako.